Carom Billiards, sometimes called carambole billiards, is the overarching title of a family of cue sports generally played on cloth-covered pocketless billiard tables. In its simplest form, the object of the game is to score points or counts by caroming one's own cue ball off both the opponent's cue ball and the object ball on a single shot. The invention as well as the exact date of origin of carom billiards is somewhat obscure but is thought to be traceable to 18th century France. There is a large array of carom billiards disciplines. Some of the more prevalent today and historically are straight rail, cushion caroms, balkline, three-cushion billiards and artistic billiards. Carom billiards is considered obscure in the United States but is more popular in Europe, particularly France, where it originated. It is also popular in Asian countries, including Japan, the Philippines, South Korea, and Vietnam. The Union Mondiale de Billard is the highest international governing body of competitive carom billiards. The word carom, which simply means any strike and rebound, was in use in reference to billiards by at least 1779, sometimes spelled carom. 41 sources differ on the origin. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.